Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Saiful Islam. My registration number is 2020731099. Today I am going to talking about objectives of good sales letter and how can we ensure its effectiveness. After that I will briefly explain the phase of negotiation. Sales letter is a letter to present the products to visitors as possible so they decide to buy the product, or the aim of all business is to sell products and services and earn profits. Publicity has a very important role to play in competitive society. No business can be done successful without publicity in one or the other form. With increasing competition in trade and industry, with a vast array of brands and varieties available in the market, but with the disposals of consumers continuously shrinking, no businessman finds it easy to sell his goods. It is because of this that the art of salesmanship is needed in every business activities. Salesmanship assumes different forms. Publicity and advertising are impersonal form of salesmanship, and a sales letter is just a part of publicity and advertisement. Objectives of sales letter. As a part of salesmanship, a sales letter has to educate, persuade, and convince the customers to buy a particular product or a service. Main objects of sales letter are as follows: it's introduce new goods in the market more effectively, more quickly, at a lower cost in a wider area. It widens the market for existing products without much cost. Repeated appearance of sales letter has the effect or a reminder. It helps the customers to remind the product or services offered from wherever he is in need of it. It educates the customers in selecting the right types of goods and also in better understandings of the products and services. Its interest maintains goodwill among the customers by offering quality products and services. It functions as salesmen. However, a salesman cannot visit the customers. It also keeps the customers constantly in touch with the company and its product and services. Sales letter advantages: less costly, convenient, and effective, and also addressed to a specified audience. Last one is very comprehensive. For ensuring sales letter effectiveness, a sales letter has the following functions to perform. Number 1, attention. Number 2, interest. Number 3, desire. And last one is action. Number 1, attention. A sales letter can attract the reader's attention through attractive physical appearance and an appealing opening sentence. Smart, well-dressed salespersons can easily attract their customers. Similarly, a sales letter can attract their reader's attention through its physical appearance, good stationery, smart letterhead, good layout, good printing, etc. The opening sentence has the most important role in attracting the reader's attention. If it is lacks in persuasive power, the reader will not read the rest of the letter. Interest. Once the reader attention has been attracted, the letter should go on to elaborate the theme of suggested by opening. If being has been successful, the reader will be interested in knowing more about the product. So writer should give a full descriptions of what he is offering, but the entire description should dwell on the product in such a way that is tell the reader how it is beneficial to him. Sales claims should never be made in favor of product. The reader should be convinced with factors and figures, testimonials and evidence. Statements should be supported by something concrete. Unethical means should never be adopted to sell a product. It is quite in order to offer free samples and free trials, to show testimonials, to refer to reported users, to give statistics of expectancies, etc. Desire. If the second part of the letter has been effective, a desire to buy the product should have been stimulated in the reader. If the letter makes an appeal to some basic human instinct, it will be immediately catch the reader imaginations and promote him to expect the offer. A reference to how actual users have been benefited from the product can often be an effective measure to intensify the desire. Action. Now comes the last part of the letter, but perhaps the most important one. The attention gain, the interest errors, and the desire create will be vain if the conclusions does not include or motivate the customer or to follow a definite course of actions. The conclusions urges the reader to instead actions. Many devices are used to secure promote action from the reader. A few examples are limited time or quantity offer, offering discount, samples, trial, etc. That's all about today. Thank you.